Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll bring awareness to our innate reactions to pain, choosing a more mindful response. When we feel physically uncomfortable, our natural response is to tense up. As tension builds in the body, our emotional reaction also hardens. And though we can't shut those responses off, we can become more aware of them. This awareness then allows us to regulate and soften the automatic hardening, bringing a little more ease to our experience. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. As you close your eyes, become aware of your posture. Sit with a long spine, remaining alert without creating tension. Soften your neck and shoulders, and rest your hands and arms in your lap. Now take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, let go of any expectations around your meditation. Again, deep in-breath. Breathing out, let go of your to-do list for the rest of your day. One more long inhalation. Exhale to soften and land into this very moment. And continue to breathe deeply a few more times, using your exhales to soften and settle a little more. Now relax your breath. Instead of changing or manipulating it, observe your breath exactly as it is. As your breath shapes itself, notice how it feels. Is it long or short? Deep or shallow? Does it have a particular taste or temperature? Without getting overly involved in the details, make room for your breath, noticing its subtleties. Now notice if any discomfort is present in your body. Instead of avoiding it, turn your attention towards your pain. And if there isn't any of it right now, bring in the memory of discomfort. Where is it located? What sensations are associated with your pain? Where else in the body do you feel tension? What emotions tend to come up? What thoughts arise? What kind of language do you use with yourself? Spend a few moments noticing the way your body and mind react when pain is present. As you notice your innate reactions, start to regulate your responses by bringing some ease. If you noticed your jaw gripping, for example, then let it relax. If your breath is tense or rough, let it become smooth. Let the volume dial turn down on your emotions, softening your responses. Bringing a gentle softening and easing around your experience. Now soften your attention. Though it might seem strange at first, bringing awareness to our discomfort is essential to managing it. When pain arises, our natural reaction is to feel averse to it. We resist it by tensing somewhere else in the body. We put our mental and emotional defenses up. And though we can't turn those reactions off, becoming aware of them allows us to soften the more acute responses, lessening the intensity. So take some time to understand your innate reactions when you're uncomfortable. As discomfort arises, notice what else is happening. There's no right or wrong response. It might be very evident, a flood of worry, profound irritation, or gripping in your shoulders. It can also be subtler or seemingly unrelated, like sadness or numbness. Once you recognize what your tendencies are, simply bring a little ease to your experience. Take some deep breaths, calm your thoughts, and relax your body as best as you can. And remember, pain isn't easy to deal with. This is a practice. It won't happen overnight. Be kind and gentle with yourself and do the best you can. Now gently return to your breath. Bring small movements back into your hands and feet. When you're ready, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Take good care of yourself today, and let's meet back here tomorrow.